Guys, it's time for another travel video. I'm here at Black Beaches, Volcano rocks and everything. We are in Spain and it looks amazing. We are here for some jobs to shoot some fashion things. So we have like cool destinations on our trip, and I got asked to do a vlog and a blog post about my travel to this place. Because some of you are traveling here as well and want to have like some cool tips where to go. The island is not that big, so you can get by car like everywhere. And yeah, so enjoy these amazing places. I will always write you where they are so you can visit them as well. And I hope you have a great trip here when you're coming to Lanzarote and have fun. At a complete new place. We are at Los Hervideros, which is like a complete different situation than we had like at the beach, because they're just cliffs, and as you can see, something is happening down there. What happens here is just insane. Look down there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video so far. The sunset yesterday was amazing. We had a lot of fun yesterday at the first day of our shooting trip, and today is the second day and we're a complete different location. We are here at the cactus garden, which is like insane when you look like at this huge cactus. We are here at a new place again. El Golfo is the name, and it looks crazy because we have again a different situation here with the red sand, and then there you have the white houses like in Santorini, and the black rocks, the green bushes down there, and like the surface of the cliffs and the open sea. And this is also the end of the vlog from Lanzarote, and I'm so happy that I could be here. Like the 2 days packed with shootings were like really exhausting, but it was a great experience, and I'm glad I had the time to record this little vlog here as well. Let me know if you like this video and if you want to like visit Lanzarote after this amazing vlog. And if you want to travel with me, write me a message. I'm always looking for travel buddies, and perhaps you're on that trip the next time. So see you then. Bye.